Today we're talking about the PK-28WL sidewall ladder rack kit. I've gone ahead and taken it out of the packaging, and let me show you what you get with it. You get two beams right here in the back. You get two ladder hooks right here. You get four bungees with steel hooks, two 12-inch and two 18-inch for attaching the ladder to the rack. And you get two reinforcement plates right here and a selection of hardware. We're going to show you how the ladder hook attaches to the beam. The ladder hook itself has this folded over tab right in the middle, and it has two holes that match up with the adjustment points on the beam. And this simply straddles the beam like so, and the holes will line up. And then you use the reinforcement plate, which also has two holes, and that slides right over the assembly as well. And now that all the holes are lined up, you use the short bolts, two of the short bolts, and then we'll simply go through the entire assembly. Like this. And using the nylon insert lock nuts, that's how you would attach this part to the beam. A 1/2-inch wrench and a 9/16 wrench will allow you to tighten them. We've gone ahead and relocated outside to our enclosed trailer, and we're going to show you how to install the PK-28WL. Here you see the entire kit, the PK-28WL box, that's right here, and the PK-BM. These two parts are needed to install the ladder rack, and then if you want, you can buy additional PK-28WLs and install them and have another ladder if you'd like to have two. We also have a selection of tools here. You're going to need a drill bit, a wrench and a socket, and a number 2 square bit in order to remove the screws from the trailer wall. The beam kit does have to be installed on the trailer wall, and you have to install it where a wall stud is. These are easily identified by the line of screws in the trailer wall. With the number 2 square bit, you simply remove one of the screws, pick a point on the trailer where you're going to want to locate the rack, where it's easy access. You simply remove the screw, and then using the drill, you'll drill through that hole. You'll be going through the outer wall, the wall stud, and the inner wall. We've gone ahead and drilled the holes and mounted one side. I want to point out that the beam kit does have to have this keyhole facing up. This is the correct position. We also have a plate. This is a rectangle plate that has to be put this way, horizontally, and it fits between the beam and the outside wall, like so. Using the bolts, the washers, go ahead and simply bolt the beam kit to the trailer wall. The bottom hole will most likely not line up with a wall screw. You will have to drill another hole in the face of the beam if necessary. We've gone ahead and mounted both racks. This kit does come with 4 anchor points on the hook for bungees. The bungees are included. It comes with 2 18-inch and 2 12-inch in order to secure the ladder to the rack. Now let me show you how to use this rack. With the help of an assistant, you simply place your ladder on the ladder hooks, like so. This is where you can attach the ladder to the rack with the bungees using the anchor points. And if you'd like, you can also protect your ladder with a chain and a lock that's not included, but that could go right through the gusset and around the ladder to deter theft. Okay, we're on the inside of the trailer now, and we're going to tighten up the hardware. The bolts protrude through the wall like so, and then you use this square plate washer and the nylon insert lock nut. This is enough if your trailer walls are plywood. If your trailer walls are the thinner Luan material, you'll have to cut out a block of plywood like so and use this first on the bolt. That'll spread the force, and then use the square washer and the nylon insert lock nut. Repeat this process on all bolts and tighten up. The bolts do tend to be a little long depending on how thick your trailer is, and they can be trimmed down.